The inputs and outputs of the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis would be the light energy taken from the sun and water molecules, converting light energy into chemical energy, which creates the output of ATP and NADPH. The role of light energy in the light-dependent reactions is that the light-dependent reactions, which takes place within the thylakoid membrane or the chloroplast, make the two molecules ATP and NADPH needed for photosynthesis.
Chlorophyll is a substance that gives plants its green pigment. It's located at the bottom of the model in between the stroma and ATP synthase. It's important to the light reactions because it energizes the electrons inside of the light energy before they travel to the electron transport chain. The electron transport chain is the pathway that the electrons take throughout the photosynthesis process. Their final destination is the ATP synthase.
The role of the proton gradient is to make sure that the hydrogen ions are transported outside of the membrane via the membrane protein ATP synthase. This process is referred to as chemiosmosis, which allows for the production of ATP. The ATP synthase uses ADP as well as inorganic phosphate to synthesize ATP, and you can see this process modeled on the bottom right-hand corner. The products from the light reactions that are taken to the dark reactions, aka the Calvin cycle, to complete the process of photosynthesis would include ATP, which is in the yellow on the bottom right, as well as NADPH, which is in the orange on the top right, which came from the NADP plus reductase.